Hello everyone, David Coleman, Director here at the Wittliff Collections at Texas State University. And welcome back to Wittliff Wednesdays. This summer, we're preparing to hang a beautifully restored historic mural on the main floor of the Albert B. Alkeck Library, but we need your help. The mural, entitled The History of Ranching by legendary Texas artist Buck Winn, will span a full 82 feet across the lobby and will no doubt become a true centerpiece for the library. Now, for the installation of this magnificent work, we've called in a team of experts in construction, conservation, and lighting, but we're also calling out to you. The underwriting for this project is being provided by the university and by a generous grant from the Stillwater Foundation. For this challenge grant, they've offered us $50,000 if we can also raise that same amount. If we meet the challenge, every dollar you donate will effectively be doubled. So please, help us meet the Stillwater Challenge by making a contribution today. It's easy to donate, and we've included a link and a phone number in this email. You can also go to the giving page of our website. Now, if you don't know about the mural, it's an amazing piece of Texas cultural history. Commissioned by the Pearl Brewery in San Antonio in the early 1950s, Buck Winn's History of Ranching was, at that time, the longest mural in the world, spanning a full 280 feet. In the 1970s, Pearl repurposed the space where the mural hung and removed the mural by cutting it into smaller pieces. 25 years later, Dr. Dory Schmidt from Wimberley discovered these discarded pieces, and that Wittliff acquired 3 of the panels. In 2012, we sent these panels to Santa Barbara to Scott Haskins, an expert in mural conservation. After cleaning, repairing, and varnishing, the results are truly breathtaking. These murals have gone through so much over the past 70 years, and now we're almost at the finish line. Many of you have helped us along the way, and we thank you for that. Now that we're ready to install them, we need your help one last time to showcase and celebrate this remarkable piece of Texas history as never before. Together with the Stillwater Foundation and your help, we can educate and inspire future generations of Texans for decades to come. Please make a gift today. Thank you, and we hope to see you again soon at the Wittliff.